This 2025 NuCamp Tab 400 Boondock is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new NuCamp is 18 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 4, water heater, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, microwave, LP detector, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, stovetop burner, and 25 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 NuCamp Tab 400 Boondock is 3,121 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.